Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Journey Untold. Today, we take you on a journey to Bhutan, a country like no other. In a world where nations chase economic growth, Bhutan is the only country that prioritizes happiness over money. It remains one of the most isolated and least explored countries in the world, with a fascinating blend of ancient traditions and futuristic policies. So, stay with us till the end, because what you're about to discover will change the way you think about success, sustainability, and happiness. While most countries struggle with pollution, Bhutan absorbs more carbon dioxide than it produces. 72% of the country is covered in forests, which act as a natural air purifier. Bhutan's constitution mandates that at least 60% of its land must always remain forested. The country generates 100% renewable energy, mainly from hydropower, and even exports it to neighboring countries. This means Bhutan is helping fight climate change for the entire world. Instead of GDP, Bhutan measures its progress using Gross National Happiness, GNH. The government ensures that economic growth does not come at the cost of culture, environment, or well-being. Policies are designed to improve mental health, environmental balance, and spiritual well-being. Bhutanese people consistently rank among the happiest in the world, despite living simple, traditional lives. Imagine if the whole world followed this model. Would we all be happier? Bhutan has one of the strictest tourism policies in the world. Visitors must pay a daily fee of $100 to $200 to enter the country, ensuring high-value, low-impact tourism. There are no traffic lights in the entire country, and yet the streets are incredibly safe and orderly. Bhutan was completely closed to foreign tourists until 1974, and even today, it only allows a limited number of visitors per year. This makes it one of the most pristine and untouched places on Earth. Bhutan is filled with stunning cliffside monasteries, including the famous Tiger's Nest Monastery. Built at a height of 3,120 meters, 10,240 feet, it looks like something out of a fantasy movie. It is said that Guru Rinpoche, the founder of Bhutanese Buddhism, meditated in a cave here in the 8th century. Pilgrims and visitors must hike for hours through breathtaking landscapes to reach it. This monastery alone makes Bhutan a bucket list destination for spiritual travelers. Bhutanese people follow a unique and deeply spiritual way of life. Television and the internet were only introduced in 1999, making Bhutan one of the last countries to embrace modern technology. Traditional Bhutanese dress is still worn daily by citizens and even government officials. The country's architecture is entirely unique, with no traffic signals and buildings designed in traditional styles, even in modern cities. While the rest of the world rapidly modernizes, Bhutan preserves its ancient culture and identity like no other nation. In Bhutan, there are virtually no homeless people. If someone loses their home, the kingdom provides them with shelter and land to farm. The government also protects all animals, and the country has a strict policy against hunting and killing. Stray dogs are not euthanized. Instead, they are cared for and fed by the government and locals. It's a country where humanity and compassion are built into the system. Bhutan's monarchy is one of the most beloved in the world. The king of Bhutan is often called the Dragon King and is deeply loved by the people. In 2006, King Jigme Singye Wangchuck voluntarily gave up absolute power, introducing democracy to Bhutan. The current king, Jigme Khesar Namgyel Wangchuck, is known as the People's King and often visits ordinary citizens personally. A king who willingly shares power? That's something rare in today's world. Bhutan was the first country in the world to ban tobacco sales completely. Smoking in public is strictly forbidden, and those caught face heavy fines. However, in 2021, due to COVID-19, Bhutan temporarily lifted the ban to reduce smuggling from India. Even today, it remains one of the least tobacco-consuming countries in the world. Bhutan hosts some of the most vibrant and colorful festivals in Asia. The Chechu festival features dancers in elaborate masks performing ancient Buddhist stories. Every town and village celebrates unique seasonal and spiritual festivals, keeping traditions alive. Unlike many countries, Bhutanese festivals are not just for tourists. They are deeply spiritual events for locals. Bhutan is one of the most unique and inspiring countries on earth. From its happiness based economy to its